Hi, I'll be talking about our Orbital project, NUSFriends. So it's done up by Timothy Low and myself, Ian Chin. So the motivation behind this project is that it's difficult to make new friends as a university student. So our application aims to help connect like-minded students in NUS and help them find new friends. So for this project, our tech stack is as follow. We used React Native for our front end and as well as Expo, and our back end is we use Superbase. So moving on to software engineering practices. Firstly, we adhere to modular code structure where code logic for different functions are organized into separate components, which ensures easier maintenance and development. We also ensure that our code has efficient data access where only necessary databases are queried for each operation, which helps improve our performance. We also make sure to follow separation of concerns where our front end and back end are separately maintained. And we also make sure to have clear error reporting by having logs across our code to point out any errors which aids in debugging. Moving on to our core features. Firstly is the authenticated signups where we ensure that only NUS students, by using their official NUS emails, are able to sign up. Next, we move our homepage, matches page, as well as profile page. So for our homepage, this is the page where users are greeted with with profiles of other users, which they can either like or skip uh, to befriend or view nicks, respectively. We also have the matchmaking tab, which shows all the matches that the users have. And in that tab, they'll be able to view the profile of other users that they have matched as well as chat with them. We also have the profile tab where users can view their own profile as well as make edits to their own profile. So our app was thoroughly tested using both automated and manual methods to ensure that it works smoothly. We check every feature from signing up and messaging to profile editing using tools like Jest and GitHub Actions. The app passed for all major tests, worked well across devices, and handled edge cases like rapid liking or empty profile lists. We also tested it with real NUS followers who found it easy to use and responsive. In conclusion, thanks to the strong testing and real user feedback, our app is a reliable, user-friendly, and ready for wider use in the NUS community. Future updates can be built on this stable foundation, and we aim to continue improving the app based on user needs and feedback. So from our poster, at the bottom of our poster, you will be able to see the previews of our app. We have the welcome page, the sign up and login pages, our home, matches, and as well as the profile pages. So now I'll be running through our app, the welcome page where users will be greeted with. So for new users, they can press on get started and then they can sign up with their name, their email as well and set a password. For users that already have an account, they can choose to log in with their existing account. So they'll be brought to the homepage first, where they can see the profile cards of other users, where they can either choose to skip or like the users that they see. So the profile cards will show very brief intro to the users that they're seeing. Firstly, is a bio where uh, the other user can give a quick introduction of themselves, their year of study, their major, as well as hobbies that they have. The next tab is the matches tab, where users are able to find all the other users that they have matched with. They're able to uh, quickly view their profile as well as chat with them. As you can see, our messages are instantaneous. We also have the profile page where users are able to take a look at their own profile picture as well as their own information. Here, they are also able to edit their profile. They're able to change their profile picture, change their display name, change their bio as well as all other non-sensitive personal information. Once they are satisfied, they can either save their profile or cancel if they don't want to. And then they are able to log out from here as well, which will bring them back to the welcome page. So this is all for our app currently. Thank you for watching the video.